So we'll discuss about the interest rate risk management. Interest rate risk can be managed using internal hedging methods such as matching and smoothing. It can also be managed through external hedging called as forward rate agreements, interest rate derivatives, futures, options, and swap. So we'll start from what is an matching. Matching is where liabilities and assets with a common interest rate are matched. For example, subsidiary A of a company might be investing in the money markets at LIBOR, and subsidiary B is borrowing through the same market at LIBOR. So there is an asset and there is a liability in the same company. So, and both of them are referenced to the LIBOR. So what happens? The asset cancels out the liability and hence it's like equally hedged. If LIBOR rate increases, subsidiary B's borrowing cost increases and subsidiary A's returns increase. So what happens is, if the interest rate is going to increase, the borrowing cost of B will increase and the income of A will increase. So both will compensate each other. The interest rates on assets and liabilities are therefore matched. So that is what is the matching concept is all about. So now we'll move on to the smoothing concept. Smoothing is where a company keeps a balance between its fixed rate and the floating rate borrowing. So assume that you are a company and you want to borrow 100 crores. So what you do is you split it into 50 crores and 50 crore. The 150, the first part of the 50 crore you borrow it in fixed rate, fixed interest rate, and the other loan you borrow at a floating interest rate. Okay, so what happens is, even though the floating rises or falls, at least you are 50% you are happy. So 50% at least the rise and fall is matched. A rise in interest rate will make the floating rate loan more expensive, but this will be compensated by the less expensive fixed rate loan. So what happens is, if you're going to borrow all in the floating rate, again that's risky. If you borrow all the loan in fixed rate, again it's risky. So what you do is you have a combination of both. Company incur increased transaction and arrangement cost because of this. Because if you're going to borrow all the 100 crore loan in fixed, it's like one time you can do it. If you want to do it in floating also, you can do it one time. But if you want 50 crore in this arrangement and 50 crore in this arrangement, then you are going to raise the money twice. So that will lead to more transaction cost. Major companies with large amounts of borrowing may try to maintain a balance between the fixed rate and the floating rate. So that is about the smoothing concept. You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.